Mint Mobile users frequently encounter a frustrating "something went wrong" error message. This error has become increasingly common, especially when trying to activate new SIM cards or log into accounts. The error typically appears in 5 main scenarios. You might see it when activating a new SIM card, logging into your account, changing your plan, porting your number from another carrier, or during payment processing. This issue has become more prominent since T-Mobile acquired Ultra Mobile, Mint Mobile's parent company, in 2023. The ongoing system integration between T-Mobile and Mint Mobile's infrastructure creates temporary stability challenges. Now let's look at 5 immediate solutions that can resolve this error. These simple steps address the most common causes and work in the majority of cases. Solution 1. Clear your browser's cache and cookies for mintmobile.com. This removes stored data that might be causing conflicts with the current website version. Solution 2. Force close and restart the Mint Mobile app, or uninstall and reinstall it completely. This refreshes the app's connection and clears any temporary glitches. Solution 3. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to rule out network issues. Solution 4. Use incognito or private browsing mode to bypass cache data problems. Solution 5. Try accessing Mint Mobile from a different device entirely. These 5 immediate solutions resolve the majority of "something went wrong" errors on Mint Mobile. Start with clearing your browser data or restarting the app, as these address the most common causes. If the problem persists, advanced troubleshooting methods are available. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the "something went wrong" error, advanced methods can help identify and fix deeper system issues. The first advanced step is resetting your device's APN settings. APN stands for Access Point Name and controls how your device connects to Mint Mobile's network. Next, try reseating your SIM card. This involves physically removing and reinserting the SIM card after restarting your device to ensure proper connection. If issues persist, reset all network settings on your device. This clears saved Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth connections, and cellular settings, returning network configurations to factory defaults. Also, disable any active VPN connections, as these can interfere with Mint Mobile's authentication systems and cause connection errors. For new activations, timing and preparation are crucial. Perform activations during off-peak hours like early morning or late evening, when servers are less congested. Existing customers should maintain their Mint Mobile app regularly. Keep it updated to the latest version, clear cache and data weekly, and use Wi-Fi when possible for account management. When problems persist, document error details, including timestamps and circumstances. Contact Mint Mobile support with specific information and monitor their status page for known system issues. These advanced troubleshooting methods and best practices will help resolve persistent Mint Mobile errors and prevent future issues from occurring.